Hey everyone, how are you doing? I'm happy to announce that we've officially launched our YouTube membership program. YouTube membership is a monthly subscription program that allows you to support us creating more content. This means that if you're a subscribed member of the English Class 101 YouTube channel, you'll receive special perks and rewards from us. Okay, so how do you become a member of our channel and get these benefits? Becoming a member is super easy. Just find the Join button under the video, and that's it. You're now an official member of the English Class 101 community. What are the perks of becoming a member? First, you'll get loyalty badges. Loyalty badges show everyone how long you've been supporting our channel. The longer you support us, the better the badge will be. These badges will be displayed next to your name whenever you post on the chat on our channel. Next, you'll get custom emojis. We created custom emoji for our stream viewers to use, like these. These emojis will help you stand out in our crazy live stream chats. As a member of our channel, you'll also get advanced learning resources. From time to time, we'll release infographics, ebooks, and cheat sheets in advance via our members-only community tab to help our members crush their language learning goals. Finally, we'll release early access to our videos through the members-only community tab. Sounds pretty good, right? And it costs only $5 a month. So join our English Class 101 community and get all the bonus material exclusive only to YouTube membership subscribers. Join now. Find all your perks on the community tab, where you'll see our special members-only posts. And thank you for your support.